Social media has evolved as a powerful platform for marketing over the past few years. People can do much more than just socializing through these platforms, and marketers are taking the proper advantage of social media platforms to increase their business conversion rate. Social media platforms can be an excellent means to attract leads towards your brand or products and convert them into potential customers. Digitization has increased the need for businesses to use social media marketing for marketing their products and services. Social media helps businesses connect with customers and increase their brand awareness. It is considered as an influential virtual space and is a great way for marketers to advertise their products or services digitally. A well-planned social media advertisements have the potential to reach a broad audience group within seconds while reducing your marketing costs. Smart tips to enhance your social media marketing. The following are few cutting-edge tactics to improve your social media marketing effectively. Set goals and objectives. Laying out strong objectives is very important before starting a social media marketing strategy. Without solid goals, marketers cannot measure their strategies or check their progress. However, it is crucial to keep in mind that the social media goals align with your overall marketing efforts. Therefore, listing down your goals is paramount to reach them. Identify the right channel. There are various social media platforms available today. Marketers can choose a suitable channel for social selling based on which platform is mainly used or preferred by their target audience. Research is required to understand and find out which platforms are mostly engaging your target audience. For instance, Facebook is considered one of the best platforms for marketing as it consists of people of all age groups. Create a brand story. What your brand communicates and how it is said will significantly impact how people feel about your brand. Compelling storytelling is vital for successful marketing efforts. Stories are very powerful to develop a strong emotional connection with your target audience and your brand. Apart from how it is communicated, the medium chosen by you to communicate your brand story greatly impacts your marketing efforts. It is imperative to choose a highly effective platform to communicate your brand story. Take advantage of video content strategy. There are several ways to use video content in your social media strategy. Live videos are currently considered most trending forms of video content strategy. Facebook Live videos, for instance, allow marketers to connect with their audience in an authentic way and enables people to engage with them by asking questions. Therefore, there is a high interaction and engagement with video content strategy and enables business owners to yield better results by utilizing the power of video content. Leverage user-generated content. One of the powerful ways to promote your brand, products, or services is through user-generated content, as people tend to trust other people more than marketing strategies. User-generated content provides people with honest feedback on products or services directly from other customers, which acts as social proof and helps position your brand in a trustworthy manner. Use relevant hashtags. Another great way to improve your brand visibility is through using hashtags. However, choosing the right hashtag that is relevant to your brand is essential. The hashtags you use should also be relevant to your target audience. When specific hashtags are used, they can be more relevant to the target group. However, proper research is required before choosing the target audience. Once you decide on the hashtag, it is better to use the same one across all the social media platforms. Brands should consider using variations such as attaching a generic hashtag along with a unique one. Be up to date with the latest trends. Staying ahead in the competition is very essential in social media marketing. Therefore, marketers need to stay on top of the latest trends and changes in the social media as it is a forever changing medium. It is vital to stay on top of these trends and algorithm changes to make the most of your social media marketing. The tips mentioned above are the smartest and effective ways to increase sales through social media marketing successfully. However, marketers need to ensure that the brand's products and services are highly visible to relevant buyers. Conclusion. Social media marketing can be hard work for businesses. Online visibility, sales, turning leads into customers are few critical factors of social media marketing. Therefore, marketers need to be serious about developing social media strategies and carefully fine-tune all the elements to create a winning social media strategy. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.